HamShack TV is turning 1 year old very soon, and you can win a new radio on our birthday. Let's talk about it. Hey everybody, welcome back to HamShack TV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. Today's video is brought to you by World Radio League. Guys, you gotta check out the revolution in ham radio contact logging. I swear, if you're gonna love World Radio League. It is such a great updated, fresh feeling for logging your contacts. The great thing is you can use your phone. You don't have to be connected to a network to use it. So check out World Radio League. And you can get a free account just to try it out. But if you are so inclined, you get a whole lot of other features. They do have a paid version, and HamShack TV can give you a discount on that. We offer a 10% discount. Just go to worldradioleague.com, and at checkout, use my coupon code HamShackTV10. You'll get 10% off their already great prices. So, guys, again, you tuned into this video because we are about to celebrate our 1 year birthday of HamShack TV. August 7th is going to be the 1 year birthday for HamShack TV. Guys, it's amazing that we've gotten to where we have. You know, over the past 12 months, the HamShack TV community has grown to nearly 8,300 subscribers. And to say thank you, I'm hosting a special anniversary edition of the HamShack TV Trading Post and Roundtable. This will be live on August the 7th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, 7 Central, 6 Mountain, 5 Pacific. Or if you're in Zulu time, 0 Zulu. But we're not just celebrating, we're giving back. One lucky viewer will win a brand new Retevis MA-1, courtesy of my friends at M&L Radio Technology. Got to thank Leroy for stepping up and helping us out with this giveaway. Again, that's the new Retevis MA-1. You can see it there on your screen. Really cool looking rig, folks. I really enjoy it. Dual band, 2 meter 440. Great little radio. It does crossband repeat. I think you're really going to like this. So we appreciate M&L Radio Technology for sponsoring this giveaway. Again, it's a Retevis MA-1. Also, our buddy Andy and Zero APX and World Radio League have stepped up, and the winner of that radio will also receive a 1 year basic paid membership to World Radio League. And that'll open the door to one of the most exciting ham radio communities on the planet. Guys, I'm telling you about World Radio League. You need to listen. This is the future. If you don't do it now, you're going to do it in the future. World Radio League is the future of ham radio all the way around. And I have a feeling there's more than logging coming down the road, but we'll just have to see how this thing progresses. We'll also talk about gear and open up the trading floor. If you've got something to buy, sell, or trade, we'll bring you on and do that. We might have a few special guests too. We'll have to stay tuned and see who comes in. We'll do a community Q&A and maybe a few surprises. All live and all unfiltered and all about ham radio. So I want you to be there. Don't miss it. Thursday, August 7th at 8 p.m. Eastern, only on HamShack TV. And guys, as we say here, live, learn, and transmit. Welcome to the Shack. Can't say how much I appreciate you guys and your support you've given us over the past year. We've worked really hard on growing this channel and giving it staying power. And we've got some great friends that we've met in the community. Got to shout out Ham Radio 2.0, Jason, KC5HWB, KM4ACK, Temporary Offline, Gray Man Poda. I mean, the list goes on and on. Carlos, Life at Terminal Velocity, Ham Radio Crash Course, all these guys. Can't say enough about them. And we can't say enough about our partners, specifically World Radio League. We appreciate your support. Don't forget to go check them out. WorldRadioLeague.com and use my coupon code HamShackTV10. You'll get 10% off. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. 73s, AA4WX, WSEB 693.